Hey YouTube Cultures, it's Joe here. I know that I'm a month late, but I finally have the December 2017 SewSampler, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you. I have not seen anyone else's unboxing because I want to be surprised as we go through it, but I'm sure most of you have unboxed your own or you've seen someone else's video, so go ahead and stick around because I don't think I'll spoil anything for you. But I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Okay, everybody, we have the SewSampler box from the Fat Quarter Shop, and this is one of the best reviewed boxes, I think. Almost everyone enjoys this box the most. This is the December box, and this costs $24.95 a month, and then it's $4.95 shipping. And I get it from thefatquartershop.com. Get it every month. This box is usually really interesting, and I think most of you will agree. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I will be surprised. I am sorry that I am just now doing this unboxing, but as you know probably by now, I had the flu and it was not fun, and then I just got busy. So I'm late, but here we go. Tradition. So we have Family Tradition. And it looks like it gives me a 40% off coupon for a book by Kim Deal. Oh, wow. Okay. So, oh. Wow. All right, so we have some fabric here by Kim Deal, and it's Henry Glass and Company. I don't know what the I'll have to look in a minute here on what the bundle's called. But this, as you all know, I am a huge Civil War type print person, and these look like old prints. These are freaking amazing. I need to find more of this fabric. It is beautiful, rich colors. Oh, this is amazing. First thing I'm in, and I'm amazed. Okay. Wow, I'm kind of sad I waited so long to open this because these are beautiful fabric. Okay, so we have some, like a golden thread. Looking at the, no way that I can pronounce that name. So I'll just put maybe the name of it in the bottom, but it's a small gold thread, probably heirloom type. All right. Thread snips. Oh, wow. Okay. Thread snips. Love it. Definitely will use these. I have those small scissors that you get sometimes, and those are great, but they always come up missing. I don't know I don't think this would. Alright, that's what's in the box, so we'll look at that in a minute. I have a sticker. And then I have block of the month, it looks like. Stash and store. It is the ultimate storage system to keep everything in place. And it's from It's So Emma. Time to add some style to your storage. This tool is great for storing your sewing gadgets and so much more. I'm not going to open it just yet, If anyone has this, let me know how you like it and if you use it a lot. But it looks okay. And then there's a book in here. We got the Quilter's Planner Mini. This is awesome. If you watched my Where's He Been video, you know that I am planning or getting into planning. So it's always good to have little things like this. It looks cool, feels good, it's like good quality. Oh, awesome. We have a pattern here. I think that I will make this pattern with the fabric that we have. Star Twist Helping Hands was the name of the bundle of fabric, just FYI. Quilt outside the box. I don't think that was in there before, like the phrasing. All right, so in review, we have the Star Twist Helping Hand Fat 8th bundle that we had with this awesome fabric. We have a Star Twist pattern. We have thread snips. We have some gold yellowish thread, a sticker, a quilter planner, a stash and store, and a block of the month. So if you're looking at what would those cost outside, the fat the fat 8th bundle would be about $16.98. The Quilter's Planner is about $12. The thread snips are $3.99, and the Mint Oh So Organized Stash and Store is $9.98. Okay, and then it looks like we have the Presenica 100% cotton thread, which was $2. And then the Star Twist quilt pattern is $9.98. And then the block of the month card would be $1.48. So, huge amount of stuff that we got for December. That is amazing. So I have loved everything in the box from December of 2017. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you want, you can go ahead and check out my other videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great week. And I hope your 2018 is getting off to a great start. All right, have a good day. Bye.